Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you to the fourth edition of the Global Fintech Awards 2025. And that being said, I can see that a lot of eager eyes over here, a lot of those who have also stayed back here. And first up, before we get started, just as a quick permission, just as a quick cue, can we have a round of applause if you're all eager, if you're all ready to get started with the Global Fintech Awards 2025. All right, on that note, we decided to start with a bang, which means let's have a bit of an audio and a visual cue coming up right here on the screen. We'll have the AV, please. Well, it clearly says, let's go. So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. On that note, the Global Fintech Awards 2025 is brought to you by Visa, and thanks to our category partner, Indian Bank, our gold partner, Experian, for their unwavering support. For mobile app security, we're grateful to Protect.ai. Our bronze partners, Ruger and Zrika, and a big shout out to our knowledge partner, EY, for empowering ideas, sharing expertise, and also accelerating progress in the fintech space. Well, that being said, none of this would be possible without the incredible jury that we've had for the Global Fintech Awards, because we've had 3 main categories and 22 subcategories. Let's quickly have the slide of our incredible jury that was actually led by Mr. V. Vaidyanathan, Managing Director and CEO of IDFC First Bank. And while we take a look at the jury, can we also keep the applause coming, ladies and gentlemen? Let's thank the jury as well for the incredible time and all the brainstorming they managed to do together to select our winners this evening. We've had an incredible lineup of our jury members, so let's keep going back to back with the slides, showcase our incredible jury to our audience. And while we do that, with a very uplifting note, we are about to officially begin the Global Fintech Awards 2025. Now, that being said, let me also go ahead with our very first category announcement. And our first category for the evening is the Special Fintech Achievements category. Now, for this, first subcategory is the Fintech Person of the Year, Male. To do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. V. Vaidyanathan, if you could please have Mr. V. Vaidyanathan to please come on stage to do the honors for our very first category. And may I also please invite Mr. Sameer Nigam of PhonePe to please come on stage. It's the Fintech Person of the Year, Male. If I could also please invite Mr. Sandeep Ghosh from Visa to please come on stage. And Mr. Srinivasu Emin from BillDesk. And Mr. Saurabh Chandra of EY. So if you could please have our incredible presenters here to please come on stage so that we can get started with the very first category. This is the Special Fintech Achievements category, and the very first subcategory is Fintech Person of the Year, Male. All right, so looks like our first presenter is here. So let's gear up and let's also move forward to announcing the winner of Fintech Person of the Year, Male. Over to you, sir.
The Fintech Person of the Year, Male, gives me a lot of pleasure in announcing this award. Total icon of the industry, really reformed the insurance sector. Yashish Dahiya, Chairman, PB Fintech.
Much GFF, the FinTech Convergence Council, all the jury members, and of course our 23,000 employees and our roughly 70 million customers. So grateful to all of you. Thank you very much.
Mighty congratulations indeed. And on that inspiring note, let's march ahead because now we're about to move on to the next category. This is FinTech Person of the Year, Female. And now to do the honors for this category, I'd like to please invite on stage Mr. Rajiv Anand of IndusInd Bank. And may I also please invite Sudipta Roy of L&T Finance. May I once again invite Mr. Saurabh Chandra from EY to please come on stage. You know, fintech is a fast-pacing industry. We all know that, which is why we are also pacing back-to-back with the categories. But that being said, let's find out the winner.
The winner is my friend Upasna Taku.
Ladies and gentlemen, Upasna Taku, co-founder and CEO, MobiKwik. Congratulations. If I could invite Upasna on stage, or if we do have the team from MobiKwik here to receive on behalf of Upasna. Let's have you quickly on stage. Well, hello.
Doesn't look female to me.
Thank you for this award and well deserved to Upasna.
Yes. Very well shared indeed. All right. Well, on that note, let's march ahead because now we're moving on to the category where we present FinTech Person of the Year, Global. And to do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Amrish Rao of Pine Labs. May I further please invite Mr. Gopal Srinivasan of TVS Capital Funds to please come on stage. May I also invite Mr. Rajiv Anand of IndusInd Bank. Can we have you back again on stage, sir? So FinTech Person of the Year, Global. And on that note, let's also, yes, sir.
The winner, FinTech Person of the Year Global, is Patrick Collison, co-founder and CEO, Stripe.
So much for doing the honors. Thank you again. All right, now before we march ahead to our next set of categories of awards, well, just before we managed to also take a look at our jury panel, we got to see them in the form of the slides, but we have some of our jury panel right here seated inside the hall. So we'd like to invite them on the stage. First up, let's also have a group photograph of our incredible jury and the special jury panel that was led by Mr. V. Vaidyanathan, Managing Director and CEO, IDFC First Bank. So I'd like to go ahead and introduce these names. I'd like to invite these incredible jury members to please come on stage. We'll first have a beautiful group photograph before we move on to our next set of categories of awards. So on that note, if I could please also invite Mr. Amrish Rao, CEO Pine Labs, Mr. Gopal Srinivasan, Chairman and Managing Director, TVS Capital, Mr. Rajiv Anand, Managing Director and CEO, IndusInd Bank. If I may also please invite Mr. Sudipto Roy, Managing Director and CEO, L&T Finance. May I further invite Mr. Samir Nigam, Founder and CEO of PhonePe, Mr. M.N. Srinivasu, Co-Founder and Director, BillDesk. I'd also like to invite our jury members seated here, Abhay Sharma of Paytm, Adelia Castellino of InSolutions Global, Ajay Rajan from Yes Bank, Anand Kumar Bajaj, Pay Nearby, Anish Sarkar Pluxi, Anjani Rathod, HDFC Bank, Ankit Ratan of SignZ, Arif Khan from Razorpay, Arun Tiku Cash Free Payments, Avinash Godkindi of Zaggle, Bhavesh Jain from TransUnion Sibyl, Chandan Khaitan Muthoot FinCorp 1, Diksha Kaushal from Visa, Deepak Gupta Indian Bank, Deval Seth Yutimako, and Ganesh Anantnarayanan from Airtel Payments Bank, Gopal Majumdar from Ruger, Ketan Patel from M-Swipe Technologies, Madhusudanan R from M2P Fintech. I'd like to further please invite Pankaj Gadgil of Aditya Birla Capital, Paroma Chatterjee from Revolut India, Pranay Zaveri from Euronet Worldwide, Preeti Rathi Gupta from Lakshmi, as well as Rajesh Desai from Lyra Network. We'd also like to invite Ravi Verma Datla from MasterCard, Sachin Seth, CRIF, Sabyasachi Goswami, Perfios, Saurabh Agarwal, Angel One, Sai Krishnan Srinivasan from Experian, and Venkat Srinivasan, Bureau ID. I know there's a Shankar Mahadevan concert happening there, but it looks like I went breathless, going back to back. But we have such incredible jury, so why not? Can we have you all come a little ahead? Let's have you all come together. Yes, let's have all of you join in. I'd also like to please invite Mr. Gaurav Chopra of PCI and FCC to please come on stage. I'd also like to invite Latika Kolnati from PCI FCC to please come on stage as well. And if I may also please invite on stage Mr. Saurabh and Mr. Pranab from the EY team as well. Can we please have you on the stage as well? Let's have you both on stage. I got a very fascinating instruction from my team member. Well, it looks like we are raising the bar of the evening, so we decided to also keep the bar open so that you can also grab your drinks while the awards evening continues. So yes, that's the plan. For those who are probably very close by to the strategic location, if I may put it this way, you can also grab your drinks, but we'll continue with the awards proceedings. So that way we all get to say cheers to one another and cheer for one another as well. All right, so with that, let's also move ahead and let's move on to our next category coming up. This is Excellence in Banking Tech. And we're also happy to have Indian Bank as our category partner for Excellence in Banking Tech Awards. Now, this category highlights those pioneering advancements in banking technology, setting new benchmarks for the industry. So the first award in this category is Best Corporate Business Correspondent, honoring those driving financial inclusion and also empowerment through business correspondent model. What we're about to do first up is take a look at the shortlisted entries on the screen. And the shortlisted entries are Pay Nearby, Nearby Technologies, NICT Technologies, PayPoint India Network, and Gujarat Infotech. These are the shortlisted. Yes, we're open to all kinds of cheers there. The shortlisted entries, but on that note, let me also go ahead and invite our esteemed presenters to do the honors. May I please invite on stage Ms. Paroma Chatterjee of Revolut India, Mr. Deepak Gupta from Indian Bank, and Mr. Christoph Marriott from Lyra Network. Let's have all our three presenters on the stage to do the honors for the category Best Corporate Business Correspondent.
For excellence in banking tech, we're proud to present it to a gentleman who's a good friend and highly respected, Pay Nearby Technologies. Please come up, Mr. Bajaj, if you're there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Corporate Business Correspondent, and the winner is Pay Nearby Technologies. Mighty congratulations. I'm going to be requesting, thank you indeed to our presenters. Thank you so much. Well, I'd like to request our winning team. Yes, sir, if I could request you to please share a few words. I'm going to be requesting you, sir, to please share a few words.
Thank you so much, GFF, for recognizing the work that we have been putting in Bharat. Beyond the 10% digital savvy sitting here, there is a क्षितिज के पार फिजा और भी है, the Bharat which is deprived of technology. And being digital payment specialist, the team that we are, we resolved that yahi maati ubharegi, yahi zarra chamkega, and we took the high end of tech to the bottom of the pyramid. So that's our calling for Chalo Bharat, and probably the Viksit Bharat will happen in 2030 rather than 2041, 47. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Love you.
Congratulations. Very beautifully shared there indeed. So congratulations to you and the team. All right, we're about to move on to our next category as well, and that's when I realized that, you know, we tend to applaud the loudest whenever we start the program, but as we start proceeding, the applause and the energy suddenly starts slowing down. So this is what I want you all to do. I want all of you to raise your hands up in the air like this, everyone. You can all say a hello to me. Well, hello. We'll keep it up in the air for a little more while. Everyone, both the hands. Sharmaiye mat. Ha. Now I want you to start shaking that hands a little, you know, it's getting a little cold. But when I ask you, are you ready for the next category? I want you to pull your hands down and give me a big yes. All right, everyone, keep shaking those hands there. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? यार इसी बात पे जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, क्या energy है. Are you ready? A big yes there. All righty. Well, if you're ready, well then I'm ever ready to move on to our next category. Now up next, we recognize a platform redefining cross-border payments with seamless transfers, competitive rates, and unmatched efficiency, which is why we're presenting the award for Best Cross-Border Solution. So, isi baat pe, let's firstly take a look at the shortlisted entries under Best Cross-Border Solution. And the shortlisted entries coming up on the screen. But let's have it right up. All right, if not, then I'll also go ahead and announce the shortlisted entries. Here we are: Skydo, IDFC First Bank, Razorpay, and Wise. Absolutely. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and invite our presenters to do the honors. May I please invite Mr. Madhusudanan R. of M2P Fintech, Ms. Diksha Kaushal from Visa, and Mr. Pramod Ganji from Zrika to please come on the stage to present the award for Best Cross-Border Solution. Mr. Madhusudanan R., Ms. Diksha Kaushal, and Mr. Pramod Ganji, let's have you on the stage, please. All right, so then on that note, let's actually go ahead and announce the winner. We'll have the cue card coming up right up on the stage, sir.
And the winner is...
Who's taking the mic? Yes.
Thank you so much for the award. We genuinely were surprised seeing the seeing the other people were nominated in there, and great job for the team who took us here, and more to go in India. We are very excited. Thank you.
More to go. Congratulations once again. My podium is about to get filled up with all the hand mics, dear team. All right, all right. So with that, let's move ahead now. We'll take that exuberant smiles ahead and let's move on to the next category. It's time for us to put spotlight on the next subcategory rather. This is Best Digital Banking Platform. All right, on that note, we know what's the drill. What's coming up next? Shortlisted entries for Best Digital Banking Platform. The shortlisted entries are Airtel Payments Bank, Razorpay, Manipal Payments and Identity Solutions, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, and Castler. So with that, let's go ahead and invite our presenters. May I please invite on stage Mr. Ankit Ratan of Scienzy, Mr. Pranay Javeri from Euronet Worldwide, and Mr. Pramod Ganji from Zrika. Could we have our presenters on the stage? Yes, sir. Mr. Ankit Ratan, Mr. Pranay Javeri, and Mr. Pramod Ganji. All right, all right. So with that, we're taking a look at the shortlisted entries. We're all set to find out the winner.
So any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? No guesses? There's a prize if you guess it right. All right, so the best digital banking platform. The winner is Razorpay.
On the stage.
Well, I think thank you GFF and all the jury members for I think a lot of efforts as IDFC First Bank, as a tech first bank which we are putting in, and getting recognized on this forum really motivates all of us. So thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you again. All right, now on that incredible note, what we're about to do is hit a bit of a rewind button. And if you're wondering why, that's because we will be again, let me put it this way. We're about to hit the rewind button, take you back to one of the categories, and ensure that our winner, who's with us this evening, we have her on stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to present the FinTech Person of the Year Female Award. And as we all know, the esteemed winner of this esteemed category, Upasana Thakur, co-founder and CFO, MobiKwik. Let's have a quick round of applause one more time. Let's hear it for Upasana Thakur. Firstly, congratulations. FinTech Person of the Year, Female. Upasana, now we really want to hear from you as well. Let's quickly have the mic on the stage. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this incredible win.
Thank you so much. This award is as much mine as it is of my co-founder Bipin, who I believe has already taken this award once because I was stuck in traffic. It also belongs to my son, Kazmir, my amazing team, Team MobiKwik. And it's really a profound honor, and I would be amazed and surprised if this does not inspire thousands more female fintech founders in India. We deserve it. India deserves it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And mighty, mighty congratulations there. And on that note, thank you very much, sir, for doing the honors. All right, all right. The smiles have widened, the energy has amplified. So with that, let's move ahead to our next category. And this is where we honor efforts that make banking sustainable. So here's the category, Best Green Banking Initiative. Let's take a look at the shortlisted entries in this category. And the shortlisted entries, IDFC First Bank, Manipal Payments and Identity Solutions, Punjab National Bank, and Hinduja Housing Finance. To do the honors, I'd like to please invite on stage Mr. Anand Kumar Bajaj of Pay Nearby. I'd also like to please invite Mr. Sachin Seth of CRIF India. And may I also please invite Mr. Abhay Sharma from Paytm. I'd like to invite all our three presenters to please come on the stage to do the honors for this category as well. Mr. Anand Kumar Bajaj, Mr. Sachin Seth, Mr. Abhay Sharma. Thank you, sir, for joining us. And with that, let's march ahead and let's get to find out the winner.
So the best green banking initiative goes to IDFC First Bank.
To GFF jury members for this recognition. I would also like to thank the leadership and their vision in the whole ESG and sustainability space, and that's why we are doing what we're doing. We're very new in this space, but yet we get this, it only motivates us to do better. So watch out for more stuff coming from our end in the coming years. Thank you.
Very well shared there, ma'am. Thank you so much and congratulations. All right, so with that, let's also march ahead. All right, so on that note, we now move on to our final category for tonight that recognizes leaders shaping the future of fintech. And this is where we're presenting the category Excellence in Fintech. Now, this category celebrates the standout achievers in fintech, recognizing those driving innovation, delivering real-world impact, and also reshaping the way financial solutions reach people. So we're about to present the first subcategory under this award, which is Best B2B Payments Platform. All right, so let's take a look at the shortlisted entries. Here we go. And the shortlisted entries are M2P Fintech, JustPay Technologies, PayGlocal Technologies, Zoho, and Payoneer. All right, so on that note, let me also invite our presenters on the stage. May I please invite Mr. Chandan Khaitan of Muthoot FinCorp 1, Mr. Sabyasachi Goswami from Perfios, Mr. Venkat Srinivasan from Bureau ID, and Neha Jindal from Indian Bank. Let me please invite our amazing presenters to please come on the stage. I'd also like to invite Nehal Jindal from Indian Bank to also please join in to do the honors. Welcome indeed. And with that, looks like you're all set to announce the winner, sir. Yes? You're eager to find out the winner? So are we, so here we go.
Excellence in Fintech, Best B2B Payments Platform, JustPay Technologies.
JustPay Technologies, Best B2B Payments Platform. Congratulations. Congratulations, Just Pay Technologies. Just few more words as well, please, on the mic. Let's have you share your win.
No. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to PCI, all our partners. Thank you so much.
All right, congratulations then to you and the entire team. All right, with that, we now celebrate, ladies and gentlemen, the seamless, engaging, and user-friendly experiences in finance, presenting the award for Best Digital Experience in Finance. And the shortlisted entries are Planet by L&T Finance, Grow, Zoho, TransUnion Civil, and Intellect Design Arena. With that, to do the honors, let me please invite on stage Mr. Sai Krishnan Srinivasan from Experian, Mr. Deval Seth from Utimaco, and Mr. Rajesh Mundra from Indian Bank. Well, let's have all our presenters on stage. All right, so then on that note, let's have you center stage, sir, to also announce.
Best Digital Experience in Finance. The award goes to L&T Finance.
Thank you to the forum for recognizing the work that we've done. And it's also a testament to the target that we invested in. So thank you for all the years of doing what you've done to make us stand on the stage and collect an award on behalf of all of us. And thanks to the supportive process, thanks to the support of our management. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, and I'd also like to thank all our presenters for doing the honors. Thank you indeed. All right, with that, let's also move ahead really quick, because up next we celebrate an insurance tech organization that's transforming the insurance landscape with cutting-edge digital innovation and also creating new opportunities and redefining what's possible in the industry. So it's time to present Best Insurance Tech Solution category. That being said, let's take a look at the shortlisted entries first up. And the shortlisted entries, here they go. CAMS Insurance Repository Services, Turtle Mint, Plum Benefits, Roadzen, and Aditya Birla Capital Digital. Now, to do the honors, I'd like to please invite on stage Ms. Preeti Rati Gupta of Lakshmi. I'd like to also please invite Mr. Saurabh Dalmia from Indian Bank and Mr. Pranab Ghosh from EY. Welcome back.
The best insurance tech solution goes to
CAMS Insurance Repository.
CAMS Insurance Repository Services, congratulations. Best Insurance Tech Solution. Congratulations to the entire team. While I'd like to thank our presenters for doing the honors, we'd love to hear from the team as well. We'll quickly get the mic on stage. I'd like to thank our presenters, and let's also meanwhile hear from our winners.
Thank you, GFF, for recognizing the work that we are doing. I always say that we have an illustrious parent, CAMS. We have got to live up to the credibility there. We are taking some small steps. We have a long way to go. Anuj, you may want to add.
Thanks a ton to GFF, to the jury, to the committed team from CAMS Repository for helping build what is a category first solution for personal insurance management in India. For the last 30 years, the CAMS group has been laying digital rails and building public infrastructure. Several examples of that, the core RTA services, insurance repository, KRA, our payments work, and what we've done in the account aggregator arena. And this is a very humbling moment, so thanks to everyone again, and look forward to continuing to engage with the industry for many category firsts in different arenas in the financial services world. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. And thank you to our presenters for doing the honors. All right, so with that, let's also march ahead to our next award. This is where we honor innovations that make lending simpler, quicker, and more inclusive. Presenting the award for Best Lending Solution. First up, the shortlisted entries. Here we go. What's Loan, WTLN Fintech, Bharat Pay, Bajaj Finance, VFin Solutions, Stash Fin. So these are the shortlisted entries under Best Lending Solution category. Now to do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Avinash Godkindi from Zaggle. I'd like to also please invite Mr. Rajesh Desai from Lyra Network, Mr. Christophe Marriott from Lyra Network, and Mr. Deepak Gupta from Indian Bank. Welcome back. And with that, let's find out the winner for the Best Lending Solution.
The winner for the Best Lending Solution is
Bharat Pay.
Bharat Pay.
Let's hear from you.
Thank you so much, GFF. Thank you so much, jury members. While we have the privilege to collect this award, I think the award truly belongs to the thousands of employees at Bharat Pay who have painstakingly built us up, brick by brick. Our NBFC and banking partners who have shown so much trust in us over the years. The fintech ecosystem at large, we've come such a long way in such a short amount of time. And most importantly, the merchants of Bharat Pay. They have trusted us, they've put their faith in us on a daily basis. They truly put the Bharat in Bharat Pay. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations. And on that dynamic note, let's also quickly move ahead to our next category. We're now about to announce the next award, which is Best Payments Solution. This is where we shine a spotlight on excellence in payment systems, making transactions seamless and secure. Now, the shortlisted entries in this category of Best Payments Solution, and the shortlisted entries are Paytm, Benipic Technology, Securely Group, PayU Payments, and Castler. To do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Venkat Srinivasan from Bureau ID. I'd like to also please invite Mr. Rajesh Mundra from Indian Bank and Mr. Sabyasachi Goswami from Perfios. Welcome back, gentlemen. With that, let's find out the winner for Best Payments Solution.
Excellence in FinTech, Best Payment Solution Award goes to Paytm.
Paytm, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to also invite the incredible team from Paytm to please come on stage. Best payment solution, and the winner is Paytm. We all have some, when heading back, we all have some cab or the other to take, and we know how we're going to be doing the payment for that cab. So Paytm karo, indeed it is. Zorda talia ho jaye. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, for the best payment solution, Paytm. All right, let's have the mic on the stage. Yes, and let's hear it from you.
Yeah, thank you to the jury. Thanks to PCI, FCC, and Paytm karte raho. Paytm karo.
Congratulations there, and thank you to our presenters. With that, let's quickly move ahead to our next category, because up next we recognize solutions that make compliance smarter, faster, and more efficient. Presenting the award for Best Reg Tech Solution. And under this category, let's also take a look at the shortlisted entries for Best Reg Tech Solution. Baldor Technologies, IDFI, Bureau ID, Clarify, a Perfios company, Hyperverge Technologies, and National E-Governance Services. To do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Ganesh Anantanarayanan from Airtel Payments Bank. May I also please invite Anjani Rathore from HDFC Bank, Pramod Ganji from Zrika, and Pranay Zaveri from Euronet Worldwide. Welcome, sir.
The winner in Best RegTech Solution is Hyperverge Technologies. Big round of applause.
To our presenters for doing the honors, we'd love to hear from the winning team as well.
Yeah, our endeavor has been to build a conscious business. We work really hard every year to compound our economic engine and our contribution engine. I think last year we were able to get 80 families out of poverty through our contribution engine. It all happens because of amazing clients, because of a crazily committed team, and because of a lot of grace. Last year we gave it our everything. I can put my hand on my heart and say that we gave it our everything to make the business problems happen for you, to solve the business problems that we solve for you, to create the impact that we create for you. We'll try the same this year. Thank you.
And on that endearing note, let's also move ahead, because up next we're about to celebrate cutting-edge applications of artificial intelligence transforming financial services. Here's the award for the best use of AI in fintech. Very quickly, let's also take a look at the shortlisted entries, because this is where we are honoring innovation in AI. And the shortlisted entries are Paytm, Pine Labs Online, Tata Capital, Pay Global Technologies, and KFin Technologies. Now, to do the honors for this category, I'd like to once again please invite Mr. Pranay Zaveri from Euronet Worldwide and Mr. Ravi Varma Datla from MasterCard. So if I could once again invite back on stage Mr. Pranay Zaveri from Euronet Worldwide, and if I may also please invite Mr. Ravi Varma Datla from MasterCard. Best Use of AI in Fintech. Welcome back again, sir. And let's find out the winner.
Well, the winner is Best Use of AI in Fintech, where the winner is KFin Technologies.
Okay, this is extremely fulfilling, but this goes to all our early believers. I mean, all of us together, our early investors, our first set of customers. Without them, we'll not be here. Our idea is to ensure that the next 100 million Indians invest in housing assets across various cities in India, 1 square foot at a time. So 1 square foot at a time, we will inch forward. That's our aspiration. But thank you, GFF, and thank you all of you all for putting us here.
Thank you to the jury. I think this is truly humbling for a small company like us. And to all of those at the bar, invest 1 square foot at a time. Thank you.
Very well shared there. Congratulations. And an incredible vision there that you've shared with us. So huge congratulations to the entire team. All right, on that note, we are now about to celebrate initiatives using fintech for positive impact, environmental, social, and governance. Here's the award for Fintech for Good, Champions of ESG. All right, and the shortlisted entries are Pay Nearby, Digital Nari, Credit Mantri FinServe, L&T Finance, Mobile Pay Fintech, and Sarvatra Technologies. To do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Sabyasachi Goswami from Perfios, Ms. Preeti Rathi Gupta from Lakshmi, and Mr. Gopal Majumdar from Ruga. Fintech for Good, Champions of ESG.
And the winner is Sarvatra Technologies.
Sarvatra Technologies, congratulations. We're talking about Fintech for Good. Let's have a good round of applause, everyone. And let's hear it for Sarvatra Technologies. Congratulations. Well, it's time to pass the mic to the winning team. Let's get to hear from the winning team as well.
Thank you, GFF, for this award. And Sarvatra is celebrating its 25th year of existence. And we have been focusing on doing good for digitizing India. And it's very nice for us to win this award, which is what our focus was, to digitizing India, and especially rural India. And that's what we have been doing for the last 25 years. And we want to continue doing it. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations. And thank you to our presenters for doing the honors. All right, so on that good note, we're now moving on to our final category for the evening, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, we now recognize the individuals and organizations supporting the growth of the fintech ecosystem, presenting the award for Friends of Fintech. And the shortlisted entries are Razorpay, Falcon, Grip Invest Technologies, Pine Labs, and KaleidoFin. So with that, to do the honors for our final category for the evening, may I please invite Mr. Gopal Majumdar from Ruger. May I please invite once again Anjani Rathore from HDFC Bank and Deval Seth from UT Mako. So let's have our presenters back on stage one final time. May I also please invite Mr. Sabyasachi Goswami from Perfios to also join in. Welcome back, sir. Our final category for the evening.
And the winner is Grip Invest Technologies.
Ladies and gentlemen, our finale winner for the evening. Those who are present here, seated.
Thank you to GFF and thank you to the jury. It's as we were walking up, we're good to be showstoppers for the awards function. Grip is bringing fixed income investments like bonds to retail investors. It's a new product, and we are now being able to power that on various partners. Thank you to ET Money, Paisa Bazaar, Tata New, who partnered with us to bring this product and make us winners in this category. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much again.
Thank you. Can we take a selfie? Yeah.
All right, we'll also do that in the form of a selfie as well. Let's capture those smiles there. But on that note, I'm going to be requesting all the presenters, all the winners to come on stage for a group photograph. So Grip Invest, let's have you remain on stage as well. All the winners who are present here this evening, all the winners inside the hall, all the presenters inside the hall, can we have you back on stage for a group photograph? I know we're already having one group photograph there, but if I can request the winning teams to come on stage, please. Winning teams, let's have you very quickly on the stage. All the winners, all the winning teams, all those present here inside the hall, unless you've decided to party early, but let's have you on the stage. And presenters, if I could also request you to join in one final time. Photographer Saab, यहाँ पे भी we need the winners. So winners, let's have you quickly on stage. Winning teams, winners on the stage, please. All right. Meanwhile, on that note, we come to the end of the 4th edition of the Global Fintech Awards, brought to you by Visa, Excellence in Banking Tech, our category partner Indian Bank, our gold partner Experience, mobile app security partner Protect.ai, bronze partners Ruger and Zrika, and our knowledge partner EY. It's been an incredible day, an incredible evening as well. So on that note, we'll keep that cheers coming in and let the party only continue until we see you all for the day 3 of the Global Fintech Fest 2025 tomorrow. Thank you so much again and have a phenomenal evening ahead. The party only continues. Thank you again.